everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the live price prediction of XRP Ripple coin and technical analysis of XRP. So before starting this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this kind of latest news and updates of cryptocurrencies. Let's see the live price prediction of XRP coin. What's going on, XRP holders? Oh my god, it's a very good news for XRP holder. As you can see here, the positive change 0.74% going up. In the high change is $0.555745 is the high change of XRP Ripple coin. That is the live price prediction of 24 March 2021, and that is the live last hour price prediction you are watching now. As you can see, the graph is a fast down at this period and again move upward, as you can see here. So I said that is the buying time of XRP coin. I said that is the best time to buy XRP coin. What's you say? What's your opinion about XRP coin? As it a best time to buy XRP coin? Share your opinion with us in the comment box, and also press the subscribe button to stay connected with us. Thank you so much for watching this video.